My beds are done, and we brought in soil. Now, you can't skimp on the soil because your vegetables are only going to be as healthy as your soil is good. I recommend a mixture of at least 30% organic matter. I had to bring it in by truck, and a bed this big took 3 yards. This bed took a lot of soil. I'm going to add worm castings to the soil, that's worm poop to most of us, and some organic vegetable fertilizer before I plant. One of the biggest advantages of raised beds is the control you have over the soil. You can add as much organic matter as you want and it won't wash away. And because you do all your gardening from the path, you don't step into the bed. So the soil doesn't compact, it just stays fluffy and loose, which is much better for those tender plant roots. Well, that's done. Now I get to plant. Vegetables are hungry feeders. No matter how good your soil is, you'll need to fertilize throughout the growing season. And if you've grown plants in traditional rows, you'll be surprised at how much more densely you can plant a raised bed. This may look like a lot of work, but I'm going to have vegetables now winter through summer. And I can't wait to have this little guy decorating one of my salads.